the NDC number identifies? Option A, manufacturer, drug, and packaging. Option B, manufacturer, patient, and date. Option C, manufacturer, DEA number, and drug. Option D, patient, drug, and DEA number. The National Drug Code, or NDC, number is an 11-digit number containing 3 distinct segments, separated by hyphens. Its format looks like this. The first segment identifies the manufacturer or repackager of the drug. All manufacturers and repackaging agencies are required to register with the FDA and receive a unique identifier number, which must be present on the labels of their products. This first segment is 5 digits long. The second segment identifies the drug product and is 4 digits long. The third segment of numbers identifies the packaging of the product. This segment is 2 digits long. So what is the right answer? Comment it below.